Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install Lua on Windows. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. First you open Edge or Chrome and search for Lua Programming Windows. Then you click on second link, this GitHub page. Then you go to download. Select Lua for Windows. Then click on open. Accept, next, 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 next. You can run a simple introduction that will explain the basics of the language. But now you have already installed Lua. You can go to VS Code, new file, select Lua, and now you can see that the Lua is working. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.